Where do we see it was coming from? Plugs and what else? What's another thing called? I don't know either. What's it actually officially called?
I don't know.
Alright. Well, we've reordered the parts. So where do we see the cracks?
Right there. No. We're going to the store to get some marine caulking.
What does this guy have, girls?
Marine caulking! Righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. We're filming! You're checking your tan lines. Cleaning the boat with acetone to try and get all the gunk out so that there's not more buildup when we put the plug back in. Not the plug, the scupper. So that's what it's called.
We didn't actually know what it was called. It's
Yeah, none of us
officially
knew it was
called,
ball scupper.
it's a ball scupper. Thanks, Flomax.
I'm lining up the screws. You need a lot, so I'm going to put more on. Do this one. Do the one at the top. We realized we needed to put the cover and the seal on.
So we're starting over. Alright, to finish it off, we put the cover on. We put the screws. You gotta put the screws on the back side, and this goes in. You turn it, you lock it in place, and you put this little set screw in, and we're gonna put it in the water. What do you think, Charlotte? Yeah, that's fine.
I'm gonna squeeze it. Thanks.